So a big one then. This is a big one. Secret number three. You can learn the skills over time and you can get better and better. Start today and get perfect later. One of the great quotes. It's a fantastic book, I believe, from Rob Moore. Start today, get perfect later. You can learn the skills over time and you get better and better. And these skills, the skills that I'm going to be sharing with you this evening, all the things that you can learn, these skills are absolutely the skills that are going to be so vitally important in 2019, 20, 21, 22. As time goes on, the skills that you learn around online business, websites, regardless on whether you are working on building an Amazon business right now, the skills on team building, team development, the skills, over time you get better and better. Team management, there's so many skills that you'll learn, and that is the truth. When I first started to build a website, I had no idea how to build a website.